Hey there, everyone. We all know the world is online now, right? Like totally online. If you're a business, you gotta be doing digital marketing. It's not an option anymore. It's how you reach your customers, build your brand, and make those sales soar. Think about it. When was the last time you went a day without checking your phone or browsing online? Exactly. People are glued to their screens. That means your business needs to be there too, waving hello. Whether you're a small startup or a big corporation, digital marketing is your golden ticket. It levels the playing field, giving everyone a chance to shine. It's super exciting. So are you ready to dive into this digital world and make some noise? Let's go. But first, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel below. Thanks. Okay, let's be real for a sec. Digital marketing is amazing, but it can also be a bit of a roller coaster. Am I right? You're trying to juggle a million things at once. Creating engaging content, running ads, figuring out SEO, it's a lot. And then there's the ever-changing world of algorithms. It's like trying to hit a moving target. One minute you're on top of the world, the next minute your reach is gone. Poof! Plus, let's not forget about the competition. Everyone's vying for attention online. It's like a digital jungle out there. You gotta be smart, strategic, and have the right tools to stand out. But hey, don't worry, there's hope. We're about to introduce you to something that will change your digital marketing game forever. Introducing Onpassive, your new best friend in the digital marketing world. Onpassive is like having a whole team of marketing experts in your back pocket, ready to help you crush it online. They offer a suite of AI-powered tools that take care of all the heavy lifting, so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. Imagine this. Automated marketing campaigns that run themselves, targeted traffic flowing to your website, and all your digital marketing efforts seamlessly connected. That's the power of Onpassive. No more feeling overwhelmed or lost in the digital marketing jungle. Onpassive is here to guide you step by step toward online success. Section 4. Onpassive Tools, Crushing Challenges Like a Boss. So, how exactly does Onpassive tackle those digital marketing challenges we talked about? Let me break it down for you. First up, we've got their amazing content creation tools. They help you create eye-catching graphics, write compelling ad copy, and even generate blog post ideas. No more writer's block. Then there's their powerful SEO tools that get your website ranking higher on search engines. More visibility means more customers finding you online, and let's not forget about their social media management tools. Schedule posts, track your performance, and engage with your audience, all in one place. With Onpassive, you're not just getting individual tools. You're getting a complete digital marketing ecosystem that works together seamlessly. Section 5. Real-world wins, Onpassive in action. Don't just take our word for it. Check out these awesome success stories. Remember Sarah's Bakery? She was struggling to get customers through the door. But after using Onpassive's local SEO tools, her website shot up to the top of Google searches. Now she's got a line out the door every morning. And then there's John, who runs an online clothing store. He was spending a fortune on ads with little to show for it. But with Onpassive's targeted advertising tools, he's now reaching the right customers at the right time, and his sales have skyrocketed. These are just a few examples of how Onpassive is changing the game for businesses of all sizes. Section 6. Ready to rock your marketing? Onpassive is the answer. So there you have it, folks. Onpassive is your secret weapon to conquer the digital marketing world. It's time to ditch the overwhelming expectations, say goodbye to those marketing headaches, and embrace the future of digital marketing. Ready to join the Onpassive revolution and take your business to the next level? Head over to their website and sign up today. You won't regret it. It's time to unleash your inner marketing genius with Onpassive. For information about how you can join Onpassive and receive some free digital marketing tools, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.